evening.
So,
So,
what we
what
have to discuss?
we have to discuss?
Okay.
Okay.
I ask you to
I
send the
ask you to
question.
send the question.
Sir,
You won't send me.
You won't send me.
and give me just 5 minutes. I'll send you the photo.
Send me the
Can you send me the
other
questions on
number.
my other number?
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Mobile.
Sir, shall I send you the word problems of quadratic equations?
If you want that,
If you
okay,
want
fine.
that,
We can go
okay,
with
fine.
that.
We can go with that.
No issue. If you find that will be beneficial for you, you go with that. Send me. We'll do some questions on that.
Sir, I have sent that to you.
Yeah, I got it. You ticked all these. It means you have done all those.
Yes, sir.
When you have done, so why you are doing it again? Anyway.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir, right now just I
you
was doing question paper of 2023.
you was doing question paper of 2023.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a question in this page number 90, right? Where a question came in 2014, right? So there is a
2014.
question came in 2014. You got that?
Yes, sir.
What is that? A two-digit number is question number 14, right? Question number 14, a two-digit number, two-digit number two-digit number is such that is such that such that the product of its digits is the product of its digit is product of digits is 6, right? If 9 is added to the number, if 9 is added to the number, added to the number then the digit interchange their places. Then digit interchanges their places, right? Find the number. Find the number. You get the question?
Yes, sir.
What is question?
Yes, sir.
What is question?
Sir, we need to find the number.
No,
And the two
we
digit.
have to find the number definitely. So if digits are x and y, fine. If digits are x and y, then x into y is equal to 6, right? So we can say y is equal to 6 upon x, right? So and number will be will be 10x plus y, or you can say 10x plus 6 upon x, right? If we add 9 to number then what happens? Then 10x plus 6 upon x plus 9, then it is 10 into 6 upon x plus x, right? Do you get it? Number get inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Means if we add 10, if we add 10x plus y plus 9, then number is 10y plus x, and y is equal to this 6 upon x. So we have taken this. So now we have 10x plus 6 upon x plus 9 is equal to 60 upon x plus x, right? Get it?
Yes, sir.
Now we bring this on this side. Either we bring this on this side, so we can write 1060 upon x minus 6 upon x plus x minus 10 upon x is equal to 9, right? This is how much? It's 54x plus x plus, sorry, it's minus 9x. 9x is equal to 9, right? If whole this is multiplied by 1 upon 9, so how much you get? You will get 9 times 6 times 9 becomes 54. So 6 upon x minus x is equal to 1, right? You get this?
Yes, sir.
So how much space I am having? Oh, great. So now if you solve it like this, that 6x minus x upon 1 is equal to 1. You take x as an LCM. So it is 6 minus x square is equal to 1. So we can write 6 minus x square is equal to x. Getting? Getting?
Yes, sir.
So your equation will be now x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Is this so?
Yes.
This is your equation, right? You get it? Okay.
Sir, can you just wait a minute? I'll just type it.
Yeah. Equation we get is equal to x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. When we solve it, x square plus 3 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x we have taken as a common, x plus 3 minus 2 as a common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 as a common, you get x minus 2 is equal to 0. If we take x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 3. So not applicable. Not applicable. And x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6 upon x. So we can write 6 by 2. 3 times 2 becomes 6. So y is equal to 3. So number is equal to 10x plus y. So we get 10 into 2 plus 3. So we get 23. So number is 23. You get this?
Yes, sir.
You get it?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, 23.
Okay, great. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to question number 25. This was question number
14.
This was question number 14, right? It came in 2014, right? So now I'm going to rub this.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now you come to question number 25.
Sir, 25.
Yeah. Question number 25. It came in 2016, right?
Yes, sir.
Question is like that. A bus covers a distance of 200 kilometer, right? There is a bus. There is a bus covers a distance is equal to 240 kilometers, right? With uniform speed. Uniform speed, right? Let speed be x kilometer per hour, right? Speed is x kilometer per hour. Now we have due to heavy rain, if its speed reduced by 10. If due to rain, speed reduced by 10 kilometers per hour. Now the speed becomes x minus 10 kilometer per hour, right? What it is saying, it takes 2 hour more. It takes 2 hours 2 hours more, right? Let initially time taken is equal to t. So t is equal to 240 upon x, right? And due to rain takes 2 hours more. 2 hours more, right? So t plus 2 is equal to 240 upon x minus 10, because speed is reduced to x minus 10 kilometers per hour, right? Now t is, so we get an equation 240x plus 2 is equal to 240 upon x minus 10, right? So now bring this on this side. So we can write 240 upon x minus 10 minus 240 upon x is equal to 2. We have taken LCM, that is x minus 10 bracket x. So it becomes 240x minus 240 bracket x minus 10 is equal to 2, right? So now we can write it 2. So we can write it now 240x minus 240x plus 2400 divided by x square minus 10x, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Now this is cancelled out, and this is 1, this is 1200, right? So now when we make an equation, it becomes x square minus 10x, there is 1, so is equal to 1200, right? Or we can write x square minus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. Is this so? Yes, it is.
Yes.
This is the equation we get.
Yes, sir.
Now we have x square minus 40 minus 30x minus 1200 is equal to 0. So x square minus 40x plus 30x minus 1200 is equal to 0. So x we have taken as a common. It becomes x minus 40 plus 30 as a common. We get x minus 40 is equal to 0. So we can write x minus 40 bracket x plus 30 is equal to 0, right?
Equal to 40 kilometers.
If you take x plus 40, sorry, x plus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 30 kilometers per hour. This is not applicable.
Yes, sir.
This is not applicable, right? So now when we take x minus 40 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 40 kilometers per hour.
Yes, sir.
So what is your answer?
Sir, 40 kilometer per hour.
So your answer is 40 kilometers per hour.
Yes, sir.
Great. Should I up?
Yes, sir.
Now we have
Sir, question number 27. So, please.
question number 27.
Yes, sir.
That comes in 2012,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
So what is your question number 12? Oh, 27. A car travels a distance of 400 kilometers at a constant speed, right?
Yes, sir.
This time there is a car, right? Moving distance of 400 kilometers, right?
Yes, sir.
Let speed of car be x kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
X kilometer per hour is speed. So time taken it by to cover is t is equal to 400 kilometer per hour upon x hours, right? No, sorry. I have taken wrong. 400 kilometer and speed is x kilometer per hour. So kilometer gone, it becomes 400 upon x hours, right? This much time it takes. Now what happens? What happens?
Sir, 400x minus 400x up plus 12 is equals to 1 plus
If
40
if
upon
speed if speed increased, had the speed been 12 kilometer per hour more, if the speed increased by 12 kilometers per hour, then increased speed is equal to x plus 12 kilometers per hour, and it takes, so t minus, so we have t minus 1 hour 40 upon 60 minutes less, right, is equal to 400 upon x plus 12, right? You get this? So this is
Yes,
how much?
sir.
So this is how much? T is 400. Sorry. T is 400 upon x minus 2 times 2 becomes 3 times 3. It becomes 5 by 3
Yes, sir.
is equal to 400 upon x plus 12. Right. Now interchange the positions. So 400 upon x minus 400 upon x plus 12 is equal to 5 by 3. Right. So what happens? X bracket x plus 12. So there is 400 x plus 12 minus 400x is equal to 5 by 3. So it is 400x plus 4800 minus 400x upon x square plus 12x is equal to 5 by 3. This 400x minus 400x is cancelled out, right? And this is cancelled out by 1 time 5 becomes 5, and this is 9 times 5 becomes 45, right? 45,
Yes, sir.
you 45, you get 3. 48 minus 45 becomes 3, and 0 you have taken, it is 6 times 960.
Yes, sir.
Cross multiplied, so it becomes x square plus 12x is equal to 960 into 3. How much? 0. 6 times 3 becomes 18. We get 1. 27. 288. Right?
0. Yes.
So we get x square plus 12x minus 2880 is equal to 0. Getting? Getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is the equation you get.
Yes, sir.
How to solve this?
Sir, 60x minus 48x.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
How can I trust on you? 288 divided by 2, 1440, again 2, 720, again 2, 360, again 2, 180, again 2, 90, again 2, 45, 5 times. If I go 3 times, it's 15. Again 3 times, 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 1. Okay. So, you are saying
Sir, 60x minus 48x.
this, these 4, 2 and 1, 3 becomes 48, and this is 15 and 4 becomes 60. This is 16. So now 60 minus 48 is equal to 12. Yeah, that it is. So now we can do it. We can write x square plus 60x minus 48x minus 288x. 288 is equal to 0. So
Yes, sir.
if we take x as a common, it becomes x plus 60 minus 48 as a common. It becomes x plus, yes, it is 60. 2880 divided by 48 becomes 60 is equal to 0. So we get x plus 60. We get x plus 60 and x minus 48 is equal to 0. Right? And here x plus 60 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 60. So this is not applicable. Right? So we take x minus 48. X minus 48 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 48 kilometers per hour. Is the speed of car? Is this?
Yes, sir.
You done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question is like this. Question number K. 1K. Right? So that is 9x square minus a plus b x plus bracket 2a square.
Sir, which question are you doing?
It is from my side. 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. Getting? Is things are visible?
Yes,
I hope
sir.
it is visible. So here, what happens? A is equal to 9, right? B is equal to minus A plus B, right? And C is equal to 2a squared plus 5ab plus 2b square, right? Now we have discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So you can write it, b is minus a plus b whole square minus 4 into a is 9 into c is 2a square plus 5ab plus plus 2b square, right? This when you take here, so minus 1 square is 1. So we can write here now a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 36 bracket 2a square plus, I copied. Oh, sorry. There is 9 also. Minus 9, right? So here will be minus 9, right? So when you solve it, then it becomes 81 a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Minus 36, 4 times 9 becomes 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Done?
Yes, sir.
What yet, sir? Now further. When we come to this is 81a square plus 81b square plus कितना हुआ 162ab, is it? Minus
Yes, sir.
72a square minus how much? Six times 5 becomes 30. 0, 3, 180. 180 AB plus 72B square. Is this so? Yeah. There's a deep silence. 81A square minus 72A square plus 81B square minus 72b square plus 162 whole square, right? Either you can do just one thing here. Don't do it like this. We can do just one thing. So make it more simple. Take 9 as a common. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So you can write here 9 a minus b whole square, right? So discriminant d is equal to 9 bracket a minus b whole square is greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Now x is equal to minus b plus minus root discriminant upon 2a. So we can write x is equal to b is how much? Oh, here will be also minus 9b, right? So minus curly bracket minus 9 bracket a plus b, right? Curly bracket of plus minus discriminant is root over 9 a minus b whole square upon 2 into 9. So now x is equal to, now x is equal to how much? Minus minus plus, it becomes 9a plus 9b plus minus 3a minus b, right? Upon 18, right? So now you can write if x is equal to 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18. So how much it will be? 12a plus how much? 6b upon 18.
Yes, sir.
So what do you get? So x is equal to, you have taken 6 as a common, it becomes 2a plus b upon 18. It is 3 times, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1x is 2a plus b upon 3, right? in another one, if I take, if x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b upon 18. So x is equal to 6a plus 12b upon 18. So x is equal to, we take 6 as a common, it becomes a plus 2b upon 18. So 3 times 6 becomes 18. So x is equal to a plus 2b upon 3. So these are the two values of x. One is x is 2a plus b upon 3. Another one is x is a plus 2b upon 3. You get it?
Yes, sir.
What? 2a plus b upon 3 and a plus 2b upon 3. These are two values of x. I hope you understand this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, will it sufficient for this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then,
Thank
bye.
Bye bye. Good night.
Back tomorrow.